What is up, guys? Tyler here from Tyler's Garage, High Octane Builds. Still working on it. Anyways, so today I got the last package that I'd ordered for the time being. Okay, I can only order so much. But today I'm going to be swapping out these plastics for all this crap here. And so we got our rear splash guard, front splash guard, quarter panel, and then the rear fender flares, and even a number plate. Pretty nice. Here's the new seat. Pretty good quality. About the same size as the other one, except this one is actually taller, so I will be able to sit a whole lot better on this bike. Hopefully my knees aren't going to be hitting the handlebars even more. And then, of course, I've got my mounting hardware from the last package that I received. And also, if you look back here, this is going to be my paint scheme. So, these are the colors I'm going with. That's going to, of course, be the base, like the primer. Engine is going to be that black. And the frame, I'm going to do this red. And then the handlebars, I'm going to do that. And then clear coat it all. Maybe I might not clear coat the engine. But that's going to have to wait for another day, because right now it's in the 50s, and it is not exactly the prettiest day, nor the warmest. But anyways, let me go ahead and get my tools ready, and clean up this area a little bit, and we'll start putting these plastics on.
Maybe I'm a bird, following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different.
there we go. Definitely sits up a lot taller. It looks kind of funky. I mean, I guess I'm not used to this thing having full plastics. The exhaust definitely needs to be adjusted and fixed. The ride height, oh, it's so much better. Yeah, now my knees don't hit the freaking handlebars no more, just barely, but it is a lot better. Much better. Overall, like, it generally does look really good now. I mean, this thing looks mean. So, once I paint the frame and all that, I think I'm going to leave the forks gold. Just to give it that little flair, just to give it that little touch. I'm going to have to take some SOS pads and get this rust out of there. I'm going to just change out the gas tank eventually, add in more red highlights, definitely fix that, whatever's going on with it. But for now, that looks a lot better than it did with that crap. So hopefully in the next video this will be painted, or the next video should be the painting video, and we'll have this thing looking perfect and amazing, and yay, new plastics. Alright guys, so I think that's going to be it for this video. Didn't really get a whole lot done, because I mean it's just installing plastics, but for me this is my first time installing dirt bike plastics, and the ones that I got, very straightforward, very easy to install, and I'm happy with them. They look great, and future builds I'll definitely be going to that company again. The only thing I don't like is, you can see how far that is out. I don't like how short this rear mudguard is. But that's okay. Overall, I still think it looks great. So until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next episode. We should be painting the frame, given that the weather hopefully will be better the day I choose. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I need all the support I can get. I'm trying to climb the ranks with this channel, so I can do more and give people entertainment. That's really why I do this. I enjoy doing this. I'm not doing it for money. I'm not doing it for a friend or whatever. This is my bike. I do it for the fun. I'm not trying to do it for the money or anything. I do this solely for the fun and just the fact that I enjoy it. So until next time, it's Ty signing off from Ty's Garage. High Octane Builds. See y'all in the next video.